In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and quick way to transfer data from your computer to your TI-Nspire scientific calculator, more specifically, images and PDFs. To begin with, you need to install their software, so just search up in Google student software TI-Nspire or just click the first link in the description. Then just download the one associated with your operating system. After it finished, just launch the program and type your student software license number. If you don't have any, you can just use their 1 month free trial. After all that, as you can see, it says that no device is connected. So just connect your calculator with the cable. As you can see now, it shows up, and just take whatever image you want to put in your calculator, download it, then go to Insert, Image, and choose the image you want. You can make it bigger, enlarge it. You can also write at the same time. Again, this is just the way I use, the way I think it's the fastest and gets the job done. After you're finished, you want to go to File, Save to Handheld, select your calculator, change the name and just save. As you can see right now, it appears in our document and you can just open it. There's also another way to, if the image is too large or you just want a small portion, you can just do a partial screenshot and just enlarge it, just so it becomes more visible. Alright guys, and that's it. Hopefully it helped you and have a good one.